He has done so much for me. He has suffered to redeem me. He has died to set me free. I am satisfied. Satisfied with Jesus. This question comes to me as I think of Calvary. Just my Savior satisfied with me. I am satisfied. Satisfied with Jesus. But this question comes to me if I think of Calvary. Is my Savior satisfied with me?